In the previous video, we learned about adjacent and non-adjacent angles. Now, in today's lesson, we will see a very important concept in geometry called the linear pair of angles. So, what is a linear pair of angles? A linear pair of angles is a pair of angles that share a common vertex and a common arm, and their non-common arms form a straight line. Let's understand this with the help of a diagram. In the following diagram, first we have two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC. Both the angles share a common vertex, O. Next, look at the line OB. This arm is shared by both angles, so it is called the common arm OB. Now observe the other two non-common arms, OA and OC. These are called non-common arms because they are not shared. The most important part is that these non-common arms, OA and OC, form a straight line. And because they form a straight line, the two angles together make a straight angle. That is why these two angles are called a linear pair. Now let's talk about the most important property of a linear pair. When two angles form a linear pair, their sum is always 180 degrees. That is, angle AOB and angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. Let's understand this with an example. In this diagram, we have two angles, 70 degrees and 110 degrees. If we add them together, 70 plus 110 equals 180 degrees. This clearly proves that a linear pair always adds up to 180 degrees. We can use this property to find different angles if they are a linear pair of angles. Suppose angle AOB is 120 degrees, and we want to find another angle, BOC. We already know that the sum of both angles is 180 degrees. To find angle BOC, we use the formula angle BOC equals 180 degrees minus angle AOB. Now substitute the value of angle AOB, which is 120 degrees. So, angle BOC equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Subtract 120 from 180, which is equal to 60 degrees. So, angle BOC equals 60 degrees. Remember, whenever two adjacent angles form a straight line, they are called a linear pair, and their sum is always 180 degrees. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.